damn it, boy.
Charlie, what you doing? eBay coilover install and new wheels. Gonna be putting the RPF1 on the Civic. Look how clean this damn interior is right here, blood.
Some little rice nugget done got a hold of it.
See, alright, so he's already got the strut taken out.
Different.
Ooh, the EMUSA. What brand are these?
China. I need a nut for the other side of this.
I need a nut from your mama.
The factory ones have a nut. Well,
Yep, you better find one. So we're pulling the piece back here. Little cap off gun. Ah, it's too big. It's a 14. It's always 14. One. And two.
right hand doing work.
So the new struts came with the nuts for the top hat. Hold on, Daddy gonna help you. This is dangerous. So he's gonna use one of the nuts for the bottom bolt because they don't come with a nut welded on like normal. Hand me the two nuts. And you stick it up in there. I don't know, blood. Boy, you gonna be slammed out, girl. Got a hammer?
Saying you think it's too low?
You sure they're all the way as high as they'll go?
These are right here.
Yeah.
They're all the way up.
Me all the way up. You got it slammed.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They're all the way up.
Take them all the way down.
Go all the way down.
Because that's still gonna be 2 inches lower. They're not stock height.
See how much gap is in this bad boy?
Trust me, you're gonna be slammed out way too much.
Dude.
You need to spin that way down. You're gonna be tucking tire, dude. Stick them up next to each other. Look at the length, bro.
Tight is right.
Yeah, you're gonna need that.
Hand me the
I don't know.
I bet for the rear if you need them.
What you think, girl? Inappropriate, unsuitable for most appetizers. Come on, man. Using my damn jacket.
It's just because I was right here by this kitty.
You have to clean these RPF1s up. Ooh, look at this nice B20 swap I did. If you want to see me do the swap, I got videos on that.
About 350.
I never did pressure wash the carpet today. That's a big difference. Look at that. Right there to right there. Let me get those wheels. Nah, I don't need that.
$100.
That's too much. No. Daddy can't handle all that. Keep them. I might get them from you. I don't need them like your mama needs them. You got dirty hands.
You gotta take the thing.
I'm trying to film. You know what I'm saying? I'm the cameraman, blood. I'm helping him. Look, just throw everything over there, right? You gotta pull this back.
You got it.
Just start pulling.
Just one.
Just pull, playboy. There you go, blood.
Side over there? Yeah.
Should be one more, just pull. If you pull right here, go ahead and pull. Like right here. Just pop it. Like, there you go.
Man, called Max Speed Rods.
Oh, Max Speed Rods? eBay, Max Speed Rods, suspension now. There you go. Actually, no, leave it up here because we're going.
I need one of those nuts up there.
Gotta pull the old one out. Go ahead, hit him with the gun. That's max speeding rods. Charlie likes it bouncy.
Yeah, remember they only got an 8K spring rate, you know.
No, back here it's 5K.
Hey, well that's even worse.
I don't think these are directional, are they? Yeah, they are. Yeah. Yeah, they are. Look, it says right there.
Where?
Rotation! Oh! They are. They're hand cooks, man. Let me see if you got the other side right.
Probably not.
Actually, you did. You did get it right. Woo!
Well, that's it. Perfect.
Don't worry, we're gonna clean up these wheels. Charlie's a straight gangster out here. Ooh wee! Oh, ooh wee! Ooh! Look at that thing! Oh yeah, she got the bozo popping, son. The bozo. Cut it! Cut it! Cut it! Cut it! Cut it! Pull forward! Pull forward! He's still gonna hit something. Watch.
Oh, my bad.
You still ain't taken us to the car wash and pressure washed it yet?
Hey.
Look at the bay, dirty as hell. Okay, we got the front strut out, 2 14s at the top, 14 in the fork. Then we took the 17 millimeter out of the bottom of the fork, and then the 2 12s off the brake line. There, yeah, somebody. Ow! Yeah, you might as well. Got the 14 in. We're gonna put the 17 in. I'm gonna tighten the 17 now. I'm gonna try to get these brake lines since these. Good. Now he's locking down the preload and the height settings. Yeah, Ma, you're still beautiful. Why are you yelling, Eminem? We're gonna go ahead and knock the other side out. It's the same process. Oh, that's not a good sound.
I mean, that's what I'm saying. Let me turn around. So I feel like the back needs to go up there.
What was that? These RPF ones are clean. He says he's still going to adjust his suspension a little bit tomorrow. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Anyway, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace out. Keep living your dream.